So it has started. We're on the bus. We are working on the maps. We've probably got another hour ride to go.
Yeah.
So pretty. So Dave,
Yeah.
you thought you knew exactly where we were going. Now after seeing the maps, what do you think?
About 75% right.
That's pretty darn good.
Yeah. So I kind of looked at the maps, looked at some pictures on Facebook that they were posting, and
Yeah. Well, are you excited?
very
Yes,
excited.
of course. We're all excited. All of us. It's the calm before the storm. It's nice that we can see the mountains. And it's really pretty. And when you look this direction, we're going up there. That's Mount Marathon. So cool. This is our fear. I've got bear spray.
Bear spray, bear horn.
David has bear spray and a bear horn. Chip has bear spray. Caitlin has a bear horn. I think we've got it covered.
Got it covered.
That might be our fear this race. Here we are at mile 0. About ready to start the race. Let me help you out there, Dave.
Take a picture.
I don't know where I'm going. Someone get in front of me, Chip. We're about halfway. Chip's got my bag. Caitlin's leading the way. Whee! Nothing like getting a teammate to carry your pack. So we're leaving Seward. It's a nice bike path here. We left the TA, oh, it wasn't a TA. We got on the bikes at 11:40. We're headed to TA1. We hope it'll take us less than 3.5 hours. There it is, our first CP. It's pretty. Just riding through the woods. There's a Devil's Club. We just got to CP4, which is our last bike point until we get to TA1. How do we feel about that?
It'd be nice to have some dry clothes.
Yep. just for proof, we are not on the railroad tracks. We are on this side road, which we feel like is a very lucky find. And thanks to our eagle eye, David. I'm stuck on something. My foot is stuck. Now well, we did something we should have just got on the GoPro, and in so doing, we lost Chip's GoPro. We just came across this river. It was pretty fast. We eddied out over here in a place where David suggested, and they made it, and we made it, and now we've got to figure out how to get through all of this with the pack rafts. Bye-bye, GoPro.
Bye, GoPro.
So sad. So we did make it through. We're at the lake. It's getting a little dark.
I can't believe we lost all the GoPro footage.
I know. Now we only have mine.